Buckle up to experience the unparalleled charm of the luxurious Liverpool life. Introducing Stanley Court, an abode par excellence which is sure to upgrade your stay to the zenith of perfection. Nestled in Stanley Street, this stellar abode offers a selection of studios to choose from, each featuring a window for ventilation, a plush bed and ample storage space to store all your gear. But that's not all. While a well-equipped kitchen lets you cook delectable meals, an on-site gym ensures you stay in the best of shape. Plus, say goodbye to daily hassles with the on-site laundry service and free high-speed Wi-Fi. The best part, however, is the inclusion of utility bills in the rent, making the stay super easy on your pocket. And when it's time to hit the books, SeaCity Institute and Liverpool John Moores College are both a pleasant stroll away. On weekends, head to Macaulay's Matthew Street to grab a drink or two with pals. And satiate your caffeine cravings at amazing coffee houses like Baby E Coffee and Deli or Lovelock's Coffee Shop. Also, with various bus stops and train stations nearby, save time and money like never before. So does it seem like the best deal ever? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to experience the stay of a lifetime at Stanley Court, the loveliest of all stays at Liverpool.